Microservices are a powerful tool for dynamically providing application for the end users. Especially thanks to the introduction of containers, microservices can be now used to enable more and more complex scenarios. They allow the user to have always an available service in proximity, or even a dedicated one that follows her at any time, always maintaining its state. When thinking about this process of stateful service migration, there is one piece that is often neglected: communication. In our work, we focus specifically on this aspect, and we pick one of the most promising communication protocol that is available these days: QUIC. We modified and extended QUIC to fit the needs of stateful service migration, enabling the concept of server mobility. And we make it fit with all the other pieces. Our implementation is publicly available and has been extensively validated and tested. For more information on our work, please consider attending WoWMoM' 2021.